Easy come, easy go.
It's like 94 degrees out here, and it's the middle of October. Makes absolutely no freaking sense, but whatever. Sun's going down, so it'll cool off here in a bit. Finally got around to putting some parts on the bike. I got the windscreen, the block-off plates, and my pegs. I went with the PSR pegs from Revzilla, and they're longer. It's weird, and also I'm not used to having a peg on the right side because I broke mine. But I have to say they're pretty cool. I'm not going to complain about them at all. But I'm headed downtown to meet up with the group, and I guess we're gonna go right around. I also got these new gloves from Cycle Gear that I really like. It's been so hot out lately, I haven't been wearing gloves because all I have is gauntlet gloves. And I mean, like, it's so hot out, like even July wasn't this hot. It's ridiculous. So I finally broke down and got me a pair of these. I really like them a lot. Dang, these PSRs, they really grip your feet. Like, I can't, my feet are planted and I cannot move them. Like, I can't slide them across. I've never actually felt that on a grip on a foot peg before. But this windscreen right here, I always go with the Pug, or however you pronounce it, just because I love the shape and I feel like it really fits the newer bikes. But man, oh my gosh, I love it. It makes the bike look so aggressive. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention I got a new rear tire too. Mine was about shredded, and so went with the Pirelli Diablo Razzo 2 tire. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, a Jeep truck. That's interesting. I don't know. I honestly don't know if I like that or not. What's up, man? How are you? Oh, yeah. Tanner. What's up, big boy? You trying to die? Who's on Ant's bike? Or did he actually buy that? He bought it? Oh, shit. What'd you end up taping the seat for?
It hurt my ass. Really bad. I was trying to get somebody. I put rags under it to do like balls.
Damn. Hey, we stopping by the Harry's up here. Alright. You're what stuck? got a good wheelie. Dude, it always makes me nervous being on the Cenas though, because Anthony crashed right behind me with the Cena on. Yeah, so like every time I hear a noise on the Cena, it always trips me out. Damn, if our bikes weren't so loud, I'd yell at more people. Oh! Got it up a little bit. Oh! Oh! As soon as we get to the tunnel? Alright. Oh, you definitely got me.
Hey, bro, you know what this thing of Vinny thought I said whenever I wrecked?
Bro.
I said my balls are stuck. My balls are stuck.
Yeah, I literally thought he said my balls were stuck, and
My thought I got stuck. I was like, man, what the hell? My balls got stuck under my feet.
I even told the cop, I was like, I think he said his balls were stuck. Oh.
I was like, hold on, fool. You gotta go for a drug scene.
I guess we're going down the highway, do some racing and whatnot. Second. Tell me when you're ready. All right, 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah. Yeah, you got a lot on me. Alright. Alright, we doing a third gear pull or second gear? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna run in third at like 70. Yeah. Damn. Are you ready? Alright. Alright, 3. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, now who are you trying to race, Micah? Anybody? Alright, we'll just, whenever you're ready, pull up to me and I'll do the little horn honk.
If I can hear it this time.
I'm gonna be doing like, huh? Horn honk 3 times. Oh, okay. So my camera died. I don't know if it ever. I don't know what it caught, but I'm gonna be really mad if it died before. Man, this is Blake. So let's see, that was Blake. He had the I think it's like an 04 600, an 04 CBR 600.